Hey, what's up, boys? We're out here. We're about to pick up something. Check it. 1989 Ford Festiva, dude. Check this thing out, dude. Huh? It's so goddamn funny.
You only got 4 good pumps left, remember?
It's so goddamn funny, dude.
It's open header, I think.
Well, I don't know what you're going to use it for, but
I hear something ridiculous.
Yeah, I was trying to get it.
yeah, I can.
No! He got us. He got us, man. Why is the brake on? Give her some throttle.
Straps still on this side?
The straps.
Oh, yeah.
I
thought you did that.
Dude, that's great. Dude, why won't it roll? Why won't it roll? Alright, put it in neutral now. Now he's driving it off. Oh my god. He's gotta hit a tree off the first. Dude, that's so. I don't know if I trust him driving.
Huh? I was going to go.
This thing probably takes like $10 to fill up, maybe.
I want to pull it up.
Where's that go? Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Dude, that's a great song to be playing too, dude. Did you hear that?
That's why I had to take that video.
Dude, it's got a bigger tank than. I'm just kidding. Dude, it's got a Harley tank in it.
We can get it right now.
Is there fluid in it?
Huh?
It didn't
No,
spray.
there's nothing in it, I don't think.
Well, let's do it when I get to my house.
Well, I need diesel in it.
Huh?
Need diesel in it. And
'Cause
then all I gotta do is poke it in there.
We don't want to mess up the intake too much. We gotta throw nitrous in it or what?
No. Are we gonna do it today? Like when we get back to your house?
I'd like to do it in the daylight.
Man, I said we take another couple hot laps around the field. That was fun.
I want to do that real quick though. I want
It don't take that much.
Hey, I really want to fill my truck up here. Just put all that diesel in that battery. That battery's worth half this car.
that.
I'm not.
I'm gonna get. Maybe not. There's a little lever down there. Oh, fuck. That might be it. You got a little play. Hey, there's that chain lube.
Oh, that's probably what it's for. Let me go get that. What?
Chain lube in the back seat. Hey, spray that on there, see if it goes away. Probably throw the boat off.
Hey, you got real long toes.
What? Didn't work. This thing's impossible to drive today.
Huh?
It's so hard to steer.
Yeah. You've been keeping it first for the most part? You drive it?
I guess so.
No, you broke already. You broke already, dude. The ball joint. No. Timmy, really, dude?
Fixable. Ball joint.
That's CB strap. Dang, dude, we're having a good strap.
That didn't last very long.
No. It runs good. Let me go get a strap and pull it up there real quick. Well, that didn't last very long. Looks like the ball joint broke. I went and grabbed a strap and the side by side. We're gonna try to get this thing back. See if we can fix it. Let's get it. There's hooks down on the bottom. Jimmy gets in it. Screws it up completely.
Hey man.
I saw hooks down there.
Where?
Down on the bottom. Yeah, right there.
Where?
Right in the front.
Alright, you got it. I'm not getting on my knee. Alright.
Might as well get in it.
That ain't gonna work.
Oh my god!
What's the wheel look like over here? Hey,
What's the wheel look like?
it should be going this way, technically.
I can't see.
Which way is it?
That's right.
How's the wheel? How's the wheel?
It's pointed that way.
Put the hook down.
First Sunday drive, kids.
Sunday drive.
Add a vehicle. 89. Ford.
I'm gonna send this to that guy.
You are?
Yeah.
Do it. Festiva import.
She got the super seal on her, boys.
That's what it is. It's an import. She's got the 1.3 2-barrel. Now she's feeling jacked. That's rowdy. Oh, right there, dude. Well, I really don't feel like pressing a new ball joint in that one. It's $33
For everything?
for the lower control arm. With the ball joint in it already. With the strut hookup.
Back at Big Mac truck. Oh, I said that wrong.
Dude, you should go.
I want you.
Move your truck first.
I want a Honda 450R.
You need to move your truck first.
You want to start my rig at?
Quad?
We'll do a cold
I
start.
want
If you get a quad, we can start cruising around,
Should
Jimmy.
I sell this big and buy me a quad?
Sell this?
Yeah.
How much you want for it, actually?
5?
5 grand?
Yeah.
Jimmy, I'll give you
I got
4,000.
a new bed.
I'll give you
I
4,000.
got rust-free bed, rust-free
Do you?
fender, brand new rebuilt transfer case, brand new transmission, brand new dual
I'll give you
disc
4,000.
clutch,
I'll give you 4,000.
updated hydraulics.
I'll give you
I
4,000.
got 5Ks. I got all
The other night, when I pulled back there, this is how everything was parked. See that mark right there on that bumper?
new
I
gauges.
clipped her a little bit.
New gauges.
What?
My tires on the back of my truck. Smells a little sweet. No way. Keep going. Oh yeah. Keep going. Ooh. Right on. $4 grand.
4,500.
I might pay 4,000.
Flap down section gens ain't worth that.
Here,
It's 5K.
That's
It's got a bunch of
screwed,
new
dude.
parts.
hold this real quick. Hold this and back me up.
5K.
I get that.
5K.
Just full run.
I got all the parts.
Sounds really good.
I got all the parts for it. Rust free. You got like 3 inches of water in your tail light.
Yeah, I know.
This thing's a freaking unit. Hey,
Hey, we found a lower control arm in Anderson, Advanced Auto Parts. We're hopping in the van and we're going to get it, bud. I gotta grab my wallet out of my truck and we're heading that way.
check this bad.
Hey, watch your mouth, dude.
What?
Can't get paid if he does.
We can
We gotta work on that. We're monetized. We're monetized now.
check his.
What is it?
It's a lower control arm for an 89 Ford Festiva.
HD. Don't
HD.
forget it's an AC.
Heavy duty.
Right on. Hey, found the part. Heading back to change it, bud. Keep turning, Max. There we go. Turn that thing! Radio on, Jimmy? Radio works.
Works good. Works good.
Right on. Hey. Hey, car's fixed. We'll catch you tomorrow, all right? We're gonna play around with it.